So this is just 1 can of red enchilada sauce in my large cast iron skillet. Now I'm gonna grab some shredded chicken. This is just a rotisserie chicken that I shredded up, and we're gonna put that right in there. Now you can use whatever meat you like. You can use shredded beef, shredded pork, whatever protein you want, just throw it in there. If you're vegetarian, you could do, some Impossible meat or some veggies, maybe some bell peppers, but we are gonna use 1 whole rotisserie chicken that we shredded up, and that's going right into that enchilada sauce. Ooh, yeah. Okay, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and just flatten that out, get it nice and covered in that enchilada sauce. It is super important that you oil up your cast iron. The cast iron does not work without any oil. It will just ruin your food and everything will stick. Okay, just quickly get that all smothered in that beautiful enchilada sauce. Also, if you don't like the red enchilada sauce, you could use the green. It's really whatever you prefer, just throw it in there. But this is gonna be a super easy 4-ingredient dinner. So quick and so yummy. All right, now once our chicken is nice and smothered in that delicious enchilada sauce, we are gonna add our 3rd ingredient, and that is gonna be some tortillas. You can use whatever tortillas you like. If you want corn, do corn, but I'm doing flour because those are my favorite. Grab a few of these tortillas. They kind of want to just stick together. It's a new package. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and fold these up, and then I'm just gonna grab my kitchen shears, and we're just gonna chop up these tortillas right into our skillet. Super easy, super quick. Just a nice way to get that enchilada feel into our skillet, because this is gonna be a 1-pan enchilada dinner.
Wow, just those little cuts of tortilla, it already makes me hungry.
Yeah, and look how easy it is just to fold it and cut it instead of just cutting the whole thing all big. This is such an easier way. All right, let's do three tortillas. So these are the fajita size, and we're cutting up 3 into our pan.
Wait, there's different sizes?
Yes, so they have the street taco size, they have the regular taco size, the fajitas. There's plenty of size. They have the big burrito size, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of make sure these all get separated. You know what? This is why I have tongs. And we're just gonna kind of, fold it in. I think that's gonna be really good. Fold it in, get some of that enchilada sauce in there. This might seem a little hectic and crazy. I'm kind of putting it all together in my mind right now. I just knew the ingredients I wanted in it, and now I'm putting it together, and it's actually looking pretty delicious. If you don't,
it looks amazing.
Yeah, right? Okay. Now once we get those kind of smothered, let's bring them back to the top, because we want those to be the top of our enchilada casserole.
They are doused. You did good.
Yeah. Okay. Does that look like enough tortillas?
I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah, right? Okay, maybe move some of these over here. Make sure they're kind of spread it out. That's how I want it to look. That looks gorgeous. All right, you guys. So we have our 3 ingredients. Now for our 4th and final ingredient, and by far my favorite ingredient, we have Mexican blend farm style fine cut Tillamook cheese. Say that 3 times fast.
I don't even know what you said.
Exactly. And we're gonna use this whole bag right on top of our enchilada casserole dinner. Just make sure it gets evenly spread out, so each bite has a little bit of cheese. Doesn't that look incredible?
Yeah, it looks great. You're missing some up front by me.
Oh, look right there.
No, like in the middle. Like right here.
Oh, next time just point the first time so I don't
Right
embarrass
there.
myself.
You want me to leave my finger there?
Okay. All right, you guys. Our 4-ingredient enchilada casserole is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and it's only going to cook for 30 minutes because that chicken's already cooked, you guys. Let's
I'm so
go.
excited.
Look at that. Oh my. So cheesy and delicious. This is going to be good, you guys.
Sizzling.
Oh, you know what? I need some sour cream.
What are you doing?
I want sour cream.
I want to take a bite.
Okay, it's gonna be 5 ingredients, you guys. Don't come at me. All right, let's go ahead. Oh,
Wow.
that looks so good, you guys. All right.
Amazing.
Get that sour cream. Just a little squirt. Mmm. Smells incredible. All right, let's go ahead and try some.
It looks really hot. Can you just take a bite already?
Sorry.
Jeez Louise, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Mmm. You gotta try it.